Wow, this laptop boots very fast. Hey there YouTube, it's Marvin here. In front of me is my daughter's Lenovo laptop, and you guys see that it boots very fast. She just got this recently and got quickly annoyed with its features, which is called flip to boot. If you have a Dell laptop, they call it power lead on, but they are exactly the same. They added these features so that they can claim that their laptop can boot to Windows in less than 10 seconds, but they didn't think that some people will find this very annoying. So if you get sick and tired of it, the faster and easier way to disable it is to go to the BIOS by continuing pressing F2 during boot, and go to configuration by pressing the right arrow key and then arrow down to scroll down to flip to boot, and hit enter, then select disabled, then enter again. And to save the changes that you made, press the arrow right key to go to the exit tab and scroll down to save changes and click yes. But if you want to save time, you can just press F10 to select save changes and exit. Then your laptop will restart. And that is me in the background. Hello. Alright, so let's shut it down to confirm. And close the lid. And there you go, the laptop doesn't turn on anymore when you open the lid. It means that we have successfully disabled the flip to boot function. And if you have Dell laptop, the same process. Again, all you have to do is to go to the BIOS by pressing F2, and when you get to the BIOS, on the left side of the screen you can see the power. Click on it and scroll down to the lid switch section and toggle off the power lid open, then save changes and restart. And if you want to turn this feature back on, just repeat the process and toggle on the power lid open. The same with Lenovo, you can just enable the flip to boot function again. So that's how easy it is to disable or enable the Lenovo flip to boot or Dell power on lid open functions. And if you guys wondering what kind of fish do I have in the background, the majority of them are yellow Imbuna cichlids. There are 6 blue ones, and some of them are mixed color, like I call it hybrid colors. I also have 4 clown and 4 yo-yo loaches in this 96-gallon tank. There you go, you can see they are so cute. And to my right side I have some guppies in the 10-gallon tank and a breeding pair of blue parrots on the top. I have another 60-gallon community tank in the living room, but I'll show you guys that in the next video. Right, so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.